Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I am Sanskrit Das, a legal intern under Lexington Company, and I am pursuing BBLLB from Christ University Pune. My topic for today is a legal maxim, and that is Audi Alterum Partem. Audi Alterum Partem from Latin, listen to the other side or let the other side be heard as well. It is fundamental legal principle in which each party is entitled to a fair hearing and given the property to respond to evidence against them. This principle forms the basis of the two requirements of natural justice, procedural fairness, and the other being the rule against being heard before an independent and uninterested adjudicator. In administrative law, the hearing rule is fundamentally based on the maxim of Audi Alterum Partem. A failure to inform a person of a case being made against them and an opportunity to be heard may result in the matter being dismissed or decisions of a government body rendered void. In Suresh Koshi George versus the University of Kerala and others, it was observed that the aim of the rules of natural justice is to be secure justice, or to put it negatively, to prevent miscarriage of justice. These rules can operate only in areas not covered by any law validly made. In other words, they do not complain law of the land but supplement it. The concept of natural justice has undergone a great deal of change in recent years. In the past, it was thought that it included just two rules, namely, number one, no one shall be judged in his own case. Number two, no decision shall be given against a party without affording him a reasonable hearing. In Saman Sahib M. Multani versus the state of Karnataka, it was held that the expression failure of justice is too pliable or facile an expression which could be treated in any situation. The criminal court, practically the Supreme Court, should make a close examination to ascertain whether there was really a failure of justice or whether it is only a camouflage. One of the cardinal principles of natural justice is that no man shall be condemned without being heard. But the law reports are replete with instances of courts hesitating to approve the contention that failure of justice has occasioned merely because a person was not heard on a particular aspect. However, if the aspect is of such a matter that non-explanation of it has contributed to penalizing an individual, the court should say that since he was not given the opportunity to explain that aspect, there was failure of justice on account of non-compliance with the principle of natural justice. In the case of Union of India versus W.N. Chadha, the apex court has observed the rule of Audi Alterum Partem is a rule of justice and its application is excluded where the rule will itself lead to injustice. Thus, there is exclusion of the application of Audi Alterum Partem rule to cases where nothing unfair can be inferred by not affording an opportunity to present and meet a case. This rule cannot be complied to defeat the ends of justice or to make the rule flies of absurd, stultifying, and self-defending, or plainly contrary to the common sense of the situation. And this rule may be justified in very exceptional circumstances where compulsive necessity so demands. Thank you.